We have our demons in this world. We have fishing. We have the demons of mining. The grinders. The ones who want to tear apart this world just for their own personal gain. To strip our earth of the resources it needs. The woodcutters, the lumberjacks, the demons in the night, the ones who want to take our oxygen, the grinders. They're out there to take what we need. And what we need is a green, beautiful, bountiful forest, but they're taking it from us. I'll bring it back. Oh my god. The fucking drug grinders. I remember my days as a police officer, constantly chasing them as they stood 10 feet away from a subject as they sold drugs. Oh, these grinders, the worst of the worst, the least caring of the caring. These grinders brought a tear to my eyes, and I promise we're gonna bring grinding to a halt, to a stop, and we're gonna bring down an industry. A whole world will see the reflection of its own curse, and they will stop. This is a message brought to you by Malik Moore, part of a greater campaigning service.
We want more, we want more, not less. Want the best, look at me, best dressed, cause I want more, not less.